Happy birthday, Pippa.
Can you let her down slowly?
Here,
Now
look.
pull the box down slowly.
Wink.
Careful. Sit down with her.
Sit down. You gotta sit down with her.
Oh boy.
How are you? Oh, how are you, my little puggy?
What's her name?
Gemma.
Gemma the pug.
The pug.
Oh,
Oh look, she's all excited to see you.
hi. Okay,
Okay,
be careful with me.
Okay, be careful with her.
You be careful with her.
She's happy to see you.
Oh,
What a pug.
Oh, is that so cool?
Happy birthday, Pippa.
Happy real early birthday.
Real early.